Definition: Organic evolution refers to the process by which populations of organisms change over time through the gradual accumulation of genetic variations. Charles Darwin, Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection is the cornerstone of modern evolutionary biology. He proposed that organisms with traits best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on those advantageous traits to their offspring. Genetic variation: Evolution depends on genetic variation within populations, which arises from mutations, genetic recombination, and other processes. This variation provides the raw material upon which natural selection acts. Natural selection: Natural selection is the mechanism driving evolution. It results in the differential survival and reproduction of individuals with advantageous traits, leading to the gradual adaptation of populations to their environment. Adaptation: Through natural selection, populations become adapted to their environment over time. Adaptations are traits that enhance an organism's survival and reproductive success in a particular environment. Speciation: Over long periods, accumulated genetic changes may lead to the formation of new species through a process called speciation. Speciation occurs when populations become reproductively isolated from one another, leading to the divergence of traits and the eventual inability to interbreed. Evidence: The theory of evolution is supported by a vast array of evidence from various fields, including comparative anatomy, embryology, molecular biology, and the fossil record. These lines of evidence provide compelling support for the idea that all living organisms share a common ancestry and have evolved over millions of years. Microevolution versus macroevolution. Microevolution refers to small-scale changes in allele frequencies within populations over generations, such as changes in the frequency of a particular color morph in a population of moths. Macroevolution, on the other hand, refers to large-scale evolutionary changes, such as the origin of new species or major evolutionary transitions. Evolutionary mechanisms: Besides natural selection, other mechanisms can drive evolution, including genetic drift, gene flow, and mutation. These mechanisms can either reinforce or counteract the effects of natural selection, depending on various factors such as population size and connectivity. Controversy and acceptance: Despite overwhelming evidence supporting the theory of evolution, it remains a contentious topic in some circles due to religious, cultural, and ideological